So we're going to use Trenton military weather from Ontario to compare the Tecsun S-2200 to the S-2000 or Eton H-750 and the H-501x. Let's start with H-501x. All narrow filters. The H and the Tecsun are on 2.3 kHz, and this analog is on a narrow filter, which is roughly probably equivalent. So Tecsun H-501x 6754 kHz upper sideband, Trenton military weather.
20,000 broken, temperature 17, dew point 17, altimeter 29er, 9er. Break. Greenwood, time 0200 Zulu, wind 230 at 6, visibility 15, ceiling 24,000 broken, temperature 16, dew point 15, altimeter 29er, 9er. Break. Gander, time 0200 Zulu, wind 260 at 10, gust 16, visibility 15, few clouds at 25,000, temperature 15, dew point 10, altimeter 29er, 75. Break. Halifax, time 0200 Zulu, wind 220 at 8, visibility 15, ceiling 23,000 broken, temperature 16, dew point 15, altimeter 29er, 9er 7. Break. Shearwater, special report.
And now on the Tecsun S-2200x.
Wind 250 at 3, visibility 15, ceiling 14,000 broken, 20,000 broken, temperature 17, dew point 17, altimeter 29er, 9er. Break. Terminal forecast. Shearwater, no report received. Break. Greenwood, no report received. Break. Gander, no report received. Break. Halifax, no report received. Break. This is Trenton military, time 0215 Zulu. Aviation weather report. Bagotville, time 0200 Zulu, wind 240 at 4, visibility 25, few clouds at 7,000, temperature 13, dew point 10, altimeter 29er, 9er 6. Break.
And now the Tecsun S-2000, or Eton Elite 750. Let's just tune it properly.
Temperature 17, dew point 15, altimeter 3001. Break. Atherwell, time 0200 Zulu, wind 210 at 2, visibility 15, ceiling 25,000 broken, temperature 16, dew point 14, altimeter 3002. Toronto, time 0200 Zulu, wind 050 at 4, visibility 15, cloud clear, temperature 1 feet.
What I find interesting is on the telescopic antenna, it is less sensitive than both the Tecsun H-501 and the Tecsun S-2200x. It has a signal that's weaker. All three of them are on telescopic, pretty much in the same orientation, which is kind of interesting.
Wind 240 at 4, visibility 25, due south at 7,000, temperature 13, viewpoint 10, altimeter 296. Bridge. Trenton, 90200 Zulu, wind 050 at 3, visibility 15, 19,000 scattered, temperature 17, viewpoint
Weaker.
15.
One last here on this one.
Bridge.
It is weaker.
90200 Zulu, wind 210 at 2, visibility 15, ceiling 5,000 broken.
And Trenton Military Canada in Ontario.
Viewpoint
H-501.
altimeter 3002. Bridge. Toronto, time 0200 Zulu.